Right now, exactly 70% of modern AI agents remain trapped within text-bound interfaces. Tools like Claude Code and Cursor are brilliant at logic, but their physical agency ends at the terminal window. The second these agents are commanded to scrape data behind a login screen or navigate a deeply nested UI, they hit a brick wall. Standard fetch requests and rudimentary search APIs fail when they are confronted with modern, JavaScript-heavy architectures that require a live browser to render. This creates a specific void in the developer ecosystem, a need for a tool that forces agents to stop reading the web and start physically using it. Without dynamic web interaction, an agent is a supercharged encyclopedia. To act as a fully autonomous worker, it needs to be able to move through the web like a human. The ease-is/web access repository provides the technical bridge required to bypass traditional scraping blockers. Instead of relying on easily detectable, headless simulated browsers, the skill utilizes the Chrome DevTools protocol. It establishes a WebSocket proxy that connects your terminal directly into your actively running local Chrome instance. Through this connection, the AI inherits the human user's pre-existing logged-in state. This inherited state allows the agent to move through complex authentication walls without needing to manage or exchange credentials. By utilizing the existing browser context, the agent physically assumes the identity of an authenticated user. Surviving the login screen is only the first half of the battle. The agent still has to navigate the page itself. Traditional CSS selectors often fail against modern web architectures, where elements are hidden or rendered dynamically. To solve this, the repository uses a recursive eval technique, allowing the agent to penetrate complex shadow DOMs and iframes that traditional scripts cannot cross. This deep architectural access enables precise physical interactions, like clicking invisible buttons or uploading local files directly into the browser. This follows a think like a human philosophy. Instead of following rigid, fragile operational steps, the agent is fed technical facts that allow it to adapt to site-specific quirks. It even leverages local memory. A script called findurl.mjs retrieves internal tools and forgotten links directly from your Chrome history and bookmarks. Coupling this architectural penetration with your own browsing history transforms the AI from a blind script into a context-aware digital navigator. The repository refuses to execute web tasks sequentially. Instead, it utilizes a 3-layer channel scheduling architecture, splitting a single objective into a 3-tiered hierarchy of subagents. The system manages the real-time distribution of complex tasks, feeding data to each node simultaneously. This is true parallel divide-and-conquer processing. To maintain stability, the system isolates these active subagents at the individual tab level within the browser. All agents share a single authenticated proxy connection, but they never cross wires or corrupt session data. A developer can launch parallel investigations across 5 different platforms at once from a single CLI command. This orchestration establishes the repository as a coordination layer for multi-tab browser automation. These AI agents are no longer restricted to mere code completion. They are now autonomous operators of the authenticated web. Install this skill, test it against your most complex workflows, and subscribe to secure the technical breakdowns that provide a distinct engineering advantage.